What's up, everyone? Welcome to Animal Crossing New Leaf Town Tours Episode 2. This is Lindsey's town from LinandKo. Gonna be good. Gonna be good. Um, Sorry it's been a while since my last video. I have been really busy in this game, basically. Each time I get a chance to play, it's usually, can't really make a video because I'm still working on my town like crazy. Um, and it's coming along really well. Uh, I don't want to give you guys a dream code yet to go check out my town because I'm not done with it. I've gone all out. Like, it's gonna be a really good themed town, and I don't want to show too much of it. So, um, anyway, we'll just do another tour for today. How about that? Sounds good. Let's go check out, this amazing person's town. I can't get over seeing patterns that are, this thing is expensive. Seeing patterns that are from YouTube videos I've watched in the past. It's kind of weird. That's awesome. What was this? Thanks for what? I didn't do anything. I am not going in there. Okay, so where is her house at? I keep forgetting I can run anywhere I want to. This is it. This is it. Whoa. Bunch of good old mermaid stuff. Whoa, someone's getting ready for some Gracie Grace items. Wow, Brewster. I'm a little creeped out right now. That's messed up. So I've unlocked pretty much everything else in my town. The only thing I'm missing now is the cafe, I think. So I'm doing pretty good, I think. This is awesome. Must be scoring the points with the HHA. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Why am I hearing a bird? I hear, oh. That's cool. Oh, and recently, this is awesome. I went to somebody's town, and she sold, well, yeah, I bought a bunch of DLC, Japanese DLC from this person, so, really excited about that. I have a whole house in my town dedicated to all DLC, so I can, have the rooms I want, and then I have another character that holds all the DLC items in his house, so people that want to go see all the DLC, they can just go in there. It's kind of cool. These are just, I don't know, seeing Brewster on these things is just, I don't know about that. Looks like she's getting ready to change some things in her town. I don't remember seeing any of the empty kind of rooms in her videos, or their videos, I should say. Yeah, they're just empty for the most part. This is a DLC item, I think. Awesome albums. She's up to something. Her house normally doesn't look like this. She's changing things up. She's getting ready to put different sets in her rooms and all that, I think. Whoa! You're just gonna lay a gold slingshot on the ground like that. Yeah, that's, I mean, I don't need one. That's, wow. What a tease. Dr. Shrunk's coat, very nice. These rooms are just kind of empty. What is this? What is that? I want to know. It's just the weirdest looking thing I've ever seen. It almost looks like carpet, but it's some kind of fossil display thing. Cause I mean, look at the. I want to know what that is. It just doesn't. You guys ever played Contra? It looks like someone sliced up that last stage, you know, before you fight the final boss. That brownish looking stage. They sliced it up and they put it on a display. That, I don't know how that works. This is the weirdest looking couch I've ever seen. It's like half of a bathtub. Nice. Some interesting items. Even though you don't have like that much stuff in here, Lindsay, there's some interesting things in here. I mean, you do have a lot of stuff. Even if you know, don't have them in the other rooms. This room is pretty amazing. But I understand, you're getting ready to do something crazy and amazing. Oh, yeah, you could just... I didn't even notice the crown on your head. Go ahead, just, you know, pay a million bells to buy that. That's fine. It's not hard at all. Just, you know, pocket change, right? Just... Okay. I suppose we can go see an animal. I am searching for Bill. Come on, Bill. Are you here? Let's check the campsite. Sorry, Lindsay. I'm just pushing her around. It's not good. Ah! Okay. Oh, okay, no one's here. Looks like I'm about to run out of time here. You can put stuff in the trash. Nice. Can you say pale zombie freak out? That's weird. Just get away from me. Oh my gosh. Oh, I held a sneeze on a recording. That's awesome. I'm never able to hold a sneeze. Well, Lindsay, awesome town. Looking forward to seeing more of your videos. Thanks so much for letting me come. Thanks for sharing your code. Not a lot of people do that, because not a lot of people are ready to do that yet, especially in the US. Like, I don't think I've seen many amazing towns in the US, so... thanks for watching, guys. I'm hoping to post a video about my progress soon, but for now, here's this. Hope you enjoy it. If you have not checked out Lindsey and Kohei's channel, go do that. Why not? Like, I mean, their channel, as far as like people who play Animal Crossing on YouTube, they're the best ones. I mean, it's the most interesting to watch their videos because they're, you know, in Japan. Not many people from Japan are on YouTube, I guess. Not that I know of. And they vlog and everything. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Take care.